I've used KitchenAid mixers for years, and one thing I've learned is that the KitchenAid mixer paddle attachment is essential for smooth, even mixing. I rely on the KitchenAid mixer paddle attachment when I want batters, cookie dough, and creamed mixtures to come together evenly without overmixing or extra effort. Finding the best KitchenAid mixer paddle attachment can feel confusing when every recipe seems to need a different tool. The KitchenAid mixer paddle attachment is the go-to choice for mixing cookie dough, cake batter, and creamed butter because it blends evenly without overworking the mix. I use it often for classic home bakes, especially the kind many US kitchens love, like chocolate chip cookies and banana bread, and I've learned where it shines and where it falls short. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 10. GVODE Stainless Steel Flat Beater for KitchenAid Mixer. The GVODE Stainless Steel Flat Beater for KitchenAid Mixer feels like a solid upgrade the first time you use it. The stainless steel build feels strong and won't chip or fade over time. I also like the secure lock fit because it stays steady, even with thick dough. Mixing cookies, frosting, and mashed potatoes feels smooth and fast. Cleanup is easy since it's dishwasher safe. The only downside is it lacks a flexible edge for scraping, but for durability, this beater is a great everyday choice. Number 9. GVODE 3-in-1 Pasta Attachment for KitchenAid Stand Mixer. The GVODE 3-in-1 Pasta Attachment for KitchenAid Stand Mixer makes fresh pasta feel simple at home. The all-metal body feels solid and steady while rolling dough. I like the 3-cutter combo because it saves space and time. Sheets come out smooth, and spaghetti cuts clean with even edges. The 8 thickness levels help dial in texture for different recipes. Cleaning takes a bit more effort since it's not dishwasher safe, but the brush helps a lot. For pasta nights, this attachment adds real value. Number 8. KitchenAid Stainless Steel 3-Piece Kit. The KitchenAid Stainless Steel 3-Piece Kit is a smart upgrade if you use your mixer often. This KitchenAid Stainless Steel 3-Piece Kit includes a dough hook, flat beater, and wire whip that feels solid and well-balanced. The full stainless build gives peace of mind since nothing chips or flakes. I also love the dishwasher-safe design, which saves time after baking days. Mixing dough feels smooth and controlled. The only drawback is the higher price, but the durability makes it worth it for long-term use. Number 7. KitchenAid KFE5T Tilt Head Flex Edge Beater. The KitchenAid KFE5T Tilt Head Flex Edge Beater makes everyday mixing feel easier and faster. The flex edge scrape pulls batter from the bowl sides, so nothing gets wasted. I noticed smoother cookie dough and frosting with less stopping to scrape when using the KitchenAid KFE5T Tilt Head Flex Edge Beater. The time-saving mix really helps during busy baking days. It fits 4.5 and 5-quart tilt head mixers perfectly and cleans easily in the dishwasher. The only drawback is it's not ideal for very stiff dough. Still, it's a smart upgrade for home bakers. Number 6. Cowbright K45B Stainless Steel Flat Beater for KitchenAid. The Cowbright K45B Stainless Steel Flat Beater for KitchenAid feels solid the moment you use it. The pure stainless build gives peace of mind, with no coating to chip into food. Mixing cookie dough and mashed potatoes feels smooth and even with the Cowbright K45B Stainless Steel Flat Beater for KitchenAid Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The dishwasher-safe steel makes cleanup easy after long baking days. It fits 4.5 to 5-quart tilt head models well. The only downside is no bowl scraping edge. Still, it's a durable, reliable paddle for daily baking. Number 5. YIFOCUS Flex Edge Beater for KitchenAid. The YIFOCUS Flex Edge Beater for KitchenAid makes everyday mixing feel easier. The flex silicone edge gently scrapes the bowl, so batters makes even with less stopping. I noticed fewer dry spots when using the YIFOCUS Store Flex Edge Beater for KitchenAid for cookies and cakes. The auto scrape action saves time and keeps things neat. Cleanup is simple since it's dishwasher safe. The fit is solid on tilt head mixers. It's not for bowl lift models, so check first. For home bakers, this paddle feels like a smart, affordable upgrade. Number 4. Meat Juice 3-piece kit attachments for KitchenAid. The Meat Juice 3-piece kit attachments is a smart swap when original parts wear out. The Meat Juice 3-piece kit attachments fit snug and feel solid during mixing. I like the built-in scraper edge because it saves time and cuts down bowl stops. The durable metal mix handles dough and batters with ease. Whipping feels smooth and steady. The coating needs gentle care, but performance stays strong for daily baking. Number 3. Doufuhua hand mixer attachments. This Doufuhua hand mixer attachment set is a simple upgrade when old parts start to slip. The Doufuhua hand mixer attachments fit KitchenAid hand mixers snugly and feel sturdy right away. I like the complete 6-piece set because it covers cakes, bread, and smoothies. The 304 steel build feels strong and cleans easily. Mixing feels smoother, especially with dough. The only downside is the basic look, but function matters more at this price. Number 2. KitchenAid Fitted Tilt Head Stand Mixer Cover. This cover is a simple but smart upgrade for everyday kitchens. I use the KitchenAid Fitted Tilt Head Stand Mixer Cover to keep my mixer clean between bakes. The quilted cotton feels thick and protective, not cheap. It stops dust and small scratches. The zipper back access makes it easy to remove without moving the mixer. I also like the storage pocket for paddles or notes. It fits snug on tilt head models. The only downside is occasional washing, but it's worth it for a tidy counter. Number 1. KitchenAid Stand Mixer Attachment, KSMVSA Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder. The KitchenAid stand mixer attachment saves me so much prep time on busy cooking days. I use it often for salads, slaws, and quick meal prep. It locks onto the stand mixer fast and feels sturdy while running. The multi-blade system handles veggies with clean, even cuts. The wide feed chute is great for whole cucumbers and carrots, which means less pre-cutting. Cleanup is easy since the blades go on the top rack. The only downside is hand washing the housing. Still, for everyday slicing and shredding, this attachment feels practical, reliable, and very kitchen-friendly. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the KitchenAid mixer paddle attachment that fits your style and need best.